Hey everyone, so this is an add-on video to my dry tom yum recipe. I want to show you how I prep and clean my squid. I am by no means an expert at cleaning squid, but I just wanted to make this available to you so that if you've never done it before, you don't have to look any further. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to separate the head and the body. So I just pull that out, and your squid may be in better condition than mine. And so be kind of careful because the ink sac is right here. And if you want to save it, then you want to be careful that you don't rupture that. But if you don't care, then just whatever. Okay, and I'm just gonna pull that off. So this is the guts, which we will not eat, not for this recipe anyway. We're going to eat everything under the eye or above the eye, however you want to look at it. So I'm just gonna take my knife and cut right under here. Bloop. So there. This you can throw away or save the ink sac if you wish. With this squid, it's gonna have two really long tentacles, which you can eat. Some people throw them away, but it's edible, so you want to save that. So with the tentacles, in the middle, there's actually a hard piece here. That's the mouth of the squid, so you want to get rid of that. You can feel it with your hand. It'll be pretty hard. I should be able to pull that off. And then, because this is really big, I don't want to serve the squid with the whole set of tentacles. I'm just gonna separate it and cut them into like 2 or 1 or whatever you want to do from here. Oh, look, it's like a Hawaiian skirt. So let's say we'll do 2 tentacles because those are pretty small. That's a big one, so those are tentacles. So with the body, you first want to remove what they call the quill, which is this hard shell inside. And I can pull this out, but mine is broken. So there's still another one inside here. I can feel it. If yours comes out in one nice big piece, good for you. That doesn't happen with me. So because I'm going to cut this squid in rings anyway, I'll just pull that out when I get to it. The second thing I want to do is peel off the skin. So this purple skin, is it edible? Yeah, it's edible, but it's going to kind of turn when you cook it. It doesn't look very good. I don't know if this is true, but I think on bigger squid, it can be a little chewy as well. And you just kind of like get a grip on it and just pull the whole thing right off. It's very satisfying. So much fun to peel off the skin. Woohoo. And you can buy squid that's already been cleaned and prepped for you, and you can skip this whole thing altogether. Okay, so now with the wings, these wings on the squid, when you try to peel the skin, you can just peel the wings right off of the squid. The wings are edible, but you can deal with that separately. Right here. Now, ta-da! So I can feel I have a quill right here, so I'll cut right here so I can remove the other half of my quill. Ta-da! See? And I'm going to give these a quick rinse because it's kind of slimy and gross right now. And on the inside, there are all these like little membranes that I'm going to try to pull out as well. Yeah, pull as much as you can out. It's not a big deal. You don't have to get it sparkly clean. Now you just cut this however you want. So for our purposes, I'm going to do rings. Squids shrink quite a bit when you cook them, so cut them a little bit bigger than you want them to be at the end. And if as you cut, you still find some remaining membrane that you didn't take out, you can pull that out right now. If you don't remove the membranes, when you cook it, the membranes will sort of like stretch out and sort of be like a web in the middle of the rings. They're edible, it's just doesn't look very good. Okay. Now with the wings, I'm just going to try to peel the skin off. So much fun. As much as you can. Like once you get to like this type of thing, don't worry about it. You just don't want big, large patches of skin. And then with this, just cut it however you like. So let's just do pieces like that. And don't forget those extra long tentacles. You can just cut these up and throw them in as well. And that is it. It's done. It's not that hard. It's just a little slimy and messy. If you somehow got here without going through my dry tom yum recipe, check out that recipe. I will link to it in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.